All right, another company in Oak Ridge is gearing up for growth. Centrus is planning a major expansion of its centrifuge manufacturing plant. The expansion is expected to bring nearly 430 new jobs and more than $560 million in investment over the next several years. Thousands of centrifuges will be built right here in Oak Ridge. Those machines are then headed for the company's uranium enrichment plant in Ohio. Centrus says the Ohio facility is so large, its footprint is comparable to the Pentagon. Right now, 16 centrifuges built in Oak Ridge are operating there. But the plant was designed to hold tens of thousands. So Oak Ridge is once again playing a central role. Employees here will be building the centrifuges that make large-scale enrichment possible to support America's energy and national security needs.
So that $560 million is going to go towards hiring people. I mean, from when I started here to where we are now, to me, it looks like we got quadruple the people that we have, and we haven't even started that. And that's going to be used to hire people, put the equipment in, and start manufacturing probably the most complex piece of equipment that humans have created.
The first new centrifuges built in Oak Ridge are expected to come online in Ohio in 2029.